Oh, I thought he was gone. I was out there.
He's not done yet. You got that net job?
Más abajo. Ah, súbela. 139 MOA, 25 wind left. Spotter up.
Dang it!
Feindlicher Bomber gesicht!
Ready? Ready? Stand by. Oh. Threat!
Stand by.
Cheer!
You cheater!
Babe, when are you putting the steaks on the grill? I'm starving.
I got it!
I've been lost for so long I can't find no rest, no peace for my mind. I think I'm going crazy without you by my side. Those lips, those eyes, that beauty, whispering words that shoot right through me. I think I'm going crazy without you in my life.
That's not food.
In the crosses, I learned all my lessons from my losses. Now I work for myself, yeah, I'm bossing. I make my own moves, yeah, I'm bossing. I don't do no rules, yeah, I'm bossing. Neck covered in jewels, yeah, I'm bossing. Now I work for myself,
So SIG P320 with Mantis X brains inside of it. Let's test it out. Hit start. Trigger finger in. Trigger finger out. In. Out. Notifying in real time over Bluetooth the status of the trigger finger placement. Magazine.
One way to
Take that out. Put it in.
messaging.
It's loaded. Take it out.
It's not everyone using it out.
Put it in.
And
Close up of the app. The magazine out.
so and so sent this 10 days.
Magazine in. Trigger finger in.
One way to
Out.
artificially
In. Out.
make
There
it
you
look
go.
like there's content
Works with
in it.
Mantis X.
I don't know how to say this without being blunt, but after decades of instructing and watching people shoot targets like this, unsuccessfully I might add, in an attempt to make nice little holes in the target, explain to me why range training never looks like this when it comes time to fight. While I'm all for fundamentals for beginners, if you carry a gun out in public, you're probably going to need to explore a more progressive training regimen than what you've been conditioned to do. So as I watch shooting videos of people firing their guns at rates of speed they've likely never attempted, this comes to mind. The ability to manage recoil and get accurate hits on target at speed takes a completely different skill set than the traditional range training most are accustomed to. Most people have never pressed their triggers as fast as they can, and the reason being is they miss the target, but they do it while fighting. So I ask you this, if video after video we were watching people shoot at bad guys at speeds as part of an involuntary response, wouldn't you think it prudent to explore this and fine-tune that skill set at the range? Well, I'm just asking for a friend.
Alright guys, just wanted to throw up a quick video. Just got done test firing some guns. Got a nice T11 AR pistol here. This was a titanium series, got all the wonderful titanium components, titanium nitride, BCG, that AR gold trigger, which is awesome. This is a customer gun. They wanted a Vortex Spark on here, Pretty cool little red dot, got a little time under it. What's you guys' favorite red dots for ARs and AR pistols? Sound off in the comments. Favorite red dot. Let's hear what you think. Thanks, guys.
You ever seen a man just step out and catch
Blood out there?
I don't know.
He said, you know what?
Self-abuse, self-produced black magic. Deeply depressed, I'm the best, that's tragic. You don't really wanna get me all fired up.